Couple of people have been asking me how do they use this model. So I'll just be doing little what did you call this example. So naturally there are two models here. This particular model and then also this particular model. So for you to use this first predictive model, so you come to this place that update it with your table, that's the current EPL table. Just update it to this place from rank to points. This other ones automatically, this attack rating and defense rating automatically update itself. So you come here, then just after you have updated automatically, you can just come here, select any of the teams that you expect to what they call it to be meeting. So then it gives you, so this is a prediction that's actually giving you the the chances of home win, away win, and then the chances of what they call it draws. Also, this from this particular heat map that you are seeing, this actually gives you what do they call it, the probability of the numbers of goals they will score. So here that you are seeing, here it has eight here, 8.8. Basically means that the probability that they will score 1-1 is high. Probability that they will score 2-1, yeah, 2-1 is high. And probability that they will score 2-1 here is also high. So that means away home team to score. This is the scoring range for the home team, and this is also the scoring range for the away team. So that is how it is. And so probability that they will score 10-9 is basically 0. So for the second one also, this is so this second you just update what do you call, you update it here. Just update it just the way you actually did that too. Even the possession, don't worry. You also update the possession in this one. Then automatically it simulates your goals. So here you just come here to select the teams that you think you want you should be playing against each other, like head to head, and then it gives you the probability. Here is saying Liverpool 60% to win. The house possession is 60%, and then Newcastle is 53%. So that means Liverpool to win 55%, draw is 21%, Newcastle to win is 22%. So because of that, you have to what you call it. So yeah, so that basically what it is. Anyways, that's how to use the model. You can actually enhance it if you want to. All right, hope it's fine now. Thank you.